In this video, we listed the 5 best drone for beginners on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. TOSR G6 Drone. The TOSR G6 Drone is an advanced aerial vehicle designed for professional-grade performance in photography and videography. Equipped with high-definition 8K capabilities and 5G connectivity, it ensures crisp and clear footage transmission in real time. Its integrated GPS system enables precise navigation and positioning, offering stability and control during flights. One of the standout features of the TOSR G6 is its 4K camera, which allows for stunning aerial photography and videography. With obstacle avoidance technology, the drone can detect and navigate around obstacles in its path, enhancing safety and preventing collisions. Beyond its functionality, the TOSR G6 drone is also designed with user experience in mind, making it suitable for both professionals and hobbyists alike. Its RC quadcopter design provides intuitive controls for easy maneuverability, while its toy-like appearance makes it an attractive gift option for enthusiasts. Number 2. E88 Pro Drone. The E88 Pro Drone is a versatile and feature-packed remote-controlled aircraft designed for enthusiasts and professionals alike. With its high-definition 4K camera, it offers stunning aerial photography and videography capabilities. The wide-angle lens ensures panoramic shots, capturing the full breadth of your surroundings. Additionally, its foldable design enhances portability, making it convenient to carry on outdoor adventures or professional shoots. This drone boasts advanced flight capabilities, including stable hovering and precise maneuvering, thanks to its quadcopter configuration. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or a beginner, the E88 Pro Drone provides a user-friendly experience, making it suitable for a wide range of users, from hobbyists to aerial photographers. With its durable construction and intuitive controls, the E88 Pro Drone is not just a toy but also a tool for capturing breathtaking aerial footage and exploring the world from a new perspective. It's an ideal gift for kids and adults alike who are passionate about drones and aerial photography. Number 3. Xiaomi Mijia G6 Pro Max Drone. The Xiaomi Mijia G6 Pro Max Drone is an advanced aerial photography drone designed for professional use. Boasting impressive features like 8K resolution and 5G Wi-Fi connectivity, it enables high-definition aerial photography and video recording. Equipped with GPS and omnidirectional obstacle avoidance technology, it ensures precise navigation and safety during flights, even in challenging environments. The quadcopter design allows for stable and smooth flights, capturing stunning aerial shots with ease. With a long-distance range, users can explore vast landscapes and capture breathtaking footage from various perspectives. Overall, the Xiaomi Mijia G6 Pro Max Drone is a sophisticated tool for aerial photographers and videographers seeking top-tier performance and image quality. Number 4. Xiaomi Mijia Z908 Pro Max Drone. The Xiaomi Mijia Z908 Pro Max Drone is a professional-grade quadrotor designed for enthusiasts and professionals seeking high-quality aerial photography and videography capabilities. Featuring brushless motors, it offers enhanced stability and performance, ensuring smooth flights and precise maneuvers. With its advanced 8K dual HD cameras and GPS system, it allows for stunning aerial shots and videos with exceptional clarity and detail. One of the standout features of the Xiaomi Mijia Z908 Pro Max Drone is its obstacle avoidance technology, which enhances safety and helps prevent collisions during flight. This feature is particularly useful for capturing footage in challenging environments or crowded spaces, giving users peace of mind while operating the drone. Furthermore, the FPV, first-person view, capability enables real-time transmission of footage to a compatible device, allowing users to see exactly what the drone's cameras are capturing as it flies. This not only enhances the flying experience but also assists in framing shots and achieving desired compositions. Number 5. K911 Max GPS RC Drone. The K911 Max GPS RC drone is a cutting-edge aerial vehicle designed for enthusiasts and professionals alike. With its 8K professional dual HD cameras, this drone offers unparalleled clarity in aerial photography and videography, capturing stunning visuals from high altitudes. Equipped with GPS technology, it ensures precise navigation and stable flight performance, making it ideal for various applications such as aerial mapping, surveillance, or simply capturing breathtaking landscapes. Featuring a remarkable FPV, first-person view, capability, users can experience real-time footage transmission from the drone's perspective, immersing themselves in the flight experience. The impressive 1,200 km range expands the possibilities for exploration and aerial coverage, allowing users to reach distant locations and capture footage from unique vantage points. Powered by brushless motors, the K911 Max delivers efficient and reliable performance, ensuring smooth flight maneuvers and extended flight times. Additionally, its foldable design enhances portability, making it convenient to transport and deploy for outdoor adventures or professional assignments.